Join the world-famous Rick and Russ Show and newhits.com Internet Radio, Super Bowl Sunday, February 6th, starting at 2 p.m. for the Live at the Barbecue Super Bowl Marathon. It takes place inside Kitty's in Emeryville, 6702 Hollis Street. Catch all the Super Bowl action and commercials on 4 indoor and outdoor screens, including the newly installed large projector screen. Also enjoy the legendary Casey's Barbecue along with the best Super Bowl drink specials in the Bay Area. Pre- and post-game music provided by the world-famous Rick and Russ Show. Live at the Barbecue Super Bowl Marathon, Sunday, February 6th at 2 p.m. inside Kitty's in Emeryville. 12 full hours of non-stop entertainment. Super Bowl Sunday, Kitty's in Emeryville. Super Bowl Sunday, the world-famous Rick and Russ Show. Super Bowl Sunday, newhits.com, Internet Radio. Super Bowl Sunday, Kitty's in Emeryville. Super Bowl Sunday.